Ready for 23 July 2025. This article talks about remote work. In Asian countries, the remote work facility is 1.1 work days per week, whereas in other countries like UK and US, it is 1.6 remote day. In Asian countries, work from office is considered as a sign of loyalty, discipline, and seriousness, which it is the old culture of pre-entism which endures stubbornly in Asian countries. In most countries, women prefer to work from home than men. But work from home causes more physical ailments, and the solution is hybrid work. But in remote work, universal broadband stipends should be given. This article talks about nuclear energy. So, India has announced 100 gigawatt of power generating capacity by 2047. 200 megawatt heavy water reactor is employed in Rajasthan, which is used as natural uranium, unlike earlier where low enriched uranium was used. Currently, the income of our country is 2,800. To become a developed country, we need an income of per capita income of $22,000. Dubai Declaration, COP 2023, COP 28 Declaration to triple nuclear energy. So the ways out are to standardize the 220 megawatt PHWR design, scale up the NPCIL plans for 700 megawatt, and the third is to accelerate negotiation with partners in US and France. This article talks about the constitutional effort first, which was made under Constitution of India Bill 1895, then M.N. Roy Constitution of Free India 1944, further Constitution of Hindustan Free Act 1944, which talked about freedom of conscience and right to profess, propagate and practice religion. Constitution of Free India by Mahatma Gandhi, which was drafted by Shriman Narayan Agarwal, which had more focus on khadi, agriculture and cottage. It talks about Article 66A, in which election of president is held in accordance with proportional representation by single transferable vote. This talks about the sewer death. Namaste scheme has been launched for them, and in 90% of the deaths, there was no PPE kit according to the survey by government. US has pulled out of UNESCO again.